All right, I'm changing my bearing here, or my hub. Just kind of giving me some issues. Basically, ABS sensor keeps going on and off, so I'm changing that out, but it's also making noise when I'm driving. So I'm taking her out. Okay, I got the commander here. I looked it up, just took everything off, bolts are out the back of this wheel bearing, swapping it out for a brand new one. Now the hard part, which is knocking her out, she seems pretty rusted. So basically I'm just taking my hammer and I fucking hit the back of this section. And then the other side. It's going to be a hard one. Wish me luck. Good thing is, it only took me about 5 minutes of hitting it to break it free. Sweet. Came right out. Let's cut this fucking piece of crap here. That's the wheel speed sensor. Got a brand new one. Garbage. Dust shield is, I might not reinstall this. I'll just wait to get a brand new one on both. The other one doesn't even have one. It's all corroded and gone. Otherwise, just gotta clean this up, make it nice and pretty, and we're good to go with the next one. Ready. Just get it clean. I'll get back to you after. Old one and brand new one. So before we throw in the new one, I am going to anti-seize. Basically, this will make it very easy for me to pull it back out in the future if I have to do another one. I'll put it around the entire part here. And I cleaned up everything to make it nice for this, so there's no rust or corrosion. Basically, just get it in there. You can be generous with it. You're not a mechanic, but I think you can be generous with it. I'll put it on the face too, so it'll be easy for me. Good. We can put the new wheel bearing in. Sweet. Alright, new wheel bearings in. New ABS sensor slash whatever bullshit is also in. Connected in there. New one. Bolts are in. I'm gonna change the sway bar out right now. Got a new one. Oh, we're good. Just have to put everything back together after the sway bar goes in. Everything good. Okay, we're all back together. These guys are torqued, 90 foot-pounds for the wheel spacers. Got these babies in, brand new ones. I'm gonna do the bushings after the sway bar, so the bushings are right here. There's rubber. I'm gonna replace them with new rubber. And yeah.